If you haven't noticed, our world is going through a technological renaissance with how we get around. From electric bikes to skateboards to scooters, it seems like getting from point A to point B is getting more fun every day. I'm Richard from Ride.Tech, and today we're gonna get a little rad with the One Wheel Pint. Now, I'm sure you've seen the larger version of the Pint while scrolling on your feeds. And the concept for the Pint is the same, just scaled down. The One Wheel Pint is a self-balancing skateboard-esque device with one big wheel in the middle. In the mobility segment, it's booming, but the One Wheel experience is unlike any form of transportation out there right now. The concept is stunningly smooth and simple, yet the technology is pretty complicated. All motion is activated by your own body's orientation and movements. The large wheel houses a hyper-core brushless motor that propels the skateboard-like deck up to 16 miles an hour. A 6 to 8 mile range makes the Pint perfect for short commutes. The wheel itself is pneumatic, so getting over rough terrain is a cinch. And much like the XR, riding at night is made easier with headlight LEDs under the front and red LEDs on the back. The One Wheel riding experience is highly intuitive. Your feet are placed on either side of the wheel, much like a skateboard or a snowboard, and sensors know when it is go time. You're gonna go forward by leaning forward and slow down by leaning back. And even though the Pint is smaller than the XR, it's still pretty hefty. But hey, carrying it is made easier thanks largely in part to a magnetic handle that folds into the wheel well. Know where your battery stands with an LED bar. Unlike its predecessor, the One Wheel Pint employs Simple Stop, a new tech that makes dismounting the board easier than ever before. And probably the Pint's most attractive trait is the price point. If you're looking for a fun new way to ride, the Pint's price point is positioned at $950. And that's not bad for a symbiotic ride experience that is certain to turn heads. What do you think? Drop us a line in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to Ride.Tech.